Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power sunroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.